Hello everyone and welcome to part number 5. So in previous video already we discussed about the option A, and we said option A also called back to back, and here you have two options. The option 1 to use one link, and in that link you're gonna use the sub interface for each customer. Okay, and this is what we had last video. And also you have a second option to use another link, and each link is dedicated to what, to a customer. But to be honest, in the real environment they use only one link and use the sub interfaces. So you have two options you can use. And also we mentioned in the option A, so between SPRs we don't have the MPLS. Okay, so MPLS we have only in ISP here, okay, and also here. For example, customer ABC when wants to reach a customer ABC here, okay. So now we don't have MPLS here, and here when the routes or the traffic is reached to router 2, here we have two label. We have label number 1 for the transport, okay, and the label number 2, this is for traffic. So the label for transport is called LDP, and for the customer traffic is called MPBGP. That's why we already create MPBGP between RR, okay, in the router 2, router 4, and router 5. So when the traffic is reached to these points, so now the label, so we don't have here a label for transport, even also MPBGP we don't have, so it will be goes as a normal way. And after that, here when reach router 6, it will be generate two label as well, the label for transport and the label for traffic. So that's why we do the MPBGP as well here. But now the idea of option B, okay, so we gonna use the MPLS between MPBGP, and here we don't have a dedicated, for example, link or sub interface for each customer. So now what we have the MPBGP. So now we gonna create MPBGP, okay, here. The MPBGP for the customer ABC and the MPBGP for the customer DEF. Okay, I hope this is clear. So let's move directly to understand it more in the lab. Okay, great. Now in the router 5, so already I removed all the sub interfaces. Sorry, I didn't. I don't think so. Yeah, let's remove it. Now interface Ethernet 0 to 100 and what, 200. Let's check again. Show IP interface brave. Yeah, so we don't have this. Okay, let's check also show run section BGP. So here already I remove it, and let's go to router 6. Show IP IP interface brave. Okay, so yeah, it's removed. We don't have any configuration here. And regarding section BGP, also I removed the IPv4 VRF ABC and DEF. Okay, good. And now to configure that, I need to configure interface 02, okay, as a normal IP address 800.2 or 1 255.255.252. Now shut down. Okay, good. And for router 6, interface Ethernet 0 IP address 18.0.2.255.255.252. Now shut down. Okay, good. Let's try to ping my neighbor 8.0.0.1. Okay, nice. Now ping is success. Now I will configure the normal BGP. Okay, router BGP 100. My neighbor is 18.0.0.2 in the remote autonomous system 200. Router 5. What's the problem here? Sorry, 18002. Okay, and after that I need to configure, so this is configuration for the BGP relationship. Then also I need to create the MPBGP here. Okay, I'm gonna create the MPBGP neighbor, neighbor or address family VPN v4. Okay, neighbor 18001 or 2, sorry, activate. Okay, good. And let's do also in the router 6, router BGP 200, neighbor 18001 in the remote autonomous system 100, and also address VPN v4 neighbor 18001 activate. That's good. So now MPBGP is configured. Look right now, I have received one thing. Look to this update. The MPLS BGP forwarding command has been configured on the interface Ethernet 00. As you can see here, when I configure the MPBGP, okay, so the MPLS yes, automatically is enabled. If we're going to show run interface Ethernet 002, you're gonna see where is it, 02, yeah, MPLS IP. And also if we checking here, show run interface 02, sorry, here in the router 6. So in router 6 I have 02. You can see MPLS BGP forwarding. This is automatically added. And also in router 5 in the 0/2, as you can see here, MPLS BGP forwarding. So it means now I have what? I have MPBGP between what? Between router 5 and router 6. So let's check now. Show IP route or show IP BGP all. As you can see here, look, I have 101. Okay, I can see 10 and 1011 and 1011 via 8002. So 1011 via 82 and 24. This one, this 24, and this is 10 11 11. And also I can see 10 111. Okay, that's good. 10 11. And via what? Via 10002. And also we have for second customer, which is DEF with route distinguisher 201. I can see 10 10 10. Okay, where is 10 10? Here. Okay, good. And 10 12 12, which is this one. Okay, good. Let's go to the customer directly. Show IP route. Okay, as you can see here, we don't have what? We don't have, I cannot see the what is it? The BGP routes. Why? Let's troubleshoot it. So here I can see it. Let's go to route reflector because we are using route reflector. Let's see if route reflector can see this or not. Show IP BGP all. Okay, so the BGP, as you can see here, you can see it. There is no issue. Okay, good. And let's go to router 2. Show IP BGP all. Okay, so now the issue is the router 3, okay, router RR is not reflecting. Is not reflecting what? Is not reflecting this. Is not reflecting these routes. Okay, so now we need to do yes, we need to do one thing. Okay, so the ADR right now, as we said, in the router RR cannot reflect this routes to router 2. So to resolve this, we need to go to router 5, okay, and we need to configure the next hop self, okay. We need to configure the next hop self here to RR to make sure this routes, it will be reflected to router 2. So to do that, let's go to router 5, show run section BGP. Let's check first. Okay, then router BGP 100, then going to directly to address family VPN v4, because I'm gonna reflect the MPBGP. Okay, I'm gonna reflect MPBGP. So I will say the neighbor 10333. Okay, next hop self, okay, good. Now let's back to router 2 and check show IP BGP all. Okay, still not. Yeah, we need to do clear IP BGP soft. Okay, this is, let's check it again. Yeah, okay, great. So now I can receive 10.11.11 and this network. Okay, and if we going to router 9, okay, and check show IP BGP all, so the same issue, and also we need to configure what route next hop self here in that SBR. Okay, conft router BGP 200 address family VPN v4 neighbor with 10.777 next hop self. Good, and don't forget to clear IP BGP soft. Okay, and let's checking again router 9. Nice. Now I can't see 10.11 10.11 and 10.00, which this one. Okay, good. And for the DEF, let's check DEF also. Router 8, show IP BGP all. Okay, so here we have we can see 10.10 and we have 12. Okay, because we add the next hop self, so here we don't have a problem. And also if we checking router 4, show IP route or show IP BGP all. Yeah, the same. We are in router 4. Yeah, I can see now what 10.12. Okay, 10.10, sorry, 10.10 and 10.12. Okay, good. So let's move now. Show IP route here, if I can see or not. Yes, I can see the BGP now, 10.11.11. So let's try to ping now. Ping to what? To 10.11.11.11 source 10.1.1.1. Okay, ping is success. Good. Let's make a trace now. Trace numeric. As in the previous one, we discovered that there is no MPLS here, and there is MPLS here, and there is no MPLS in this part, and MPLS is working here, and there is no MPLS here. So now the result now it should be what? No MPLS, 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 no MPLS. So this is the option B. Okay, let's do it. Let's trace. Okay, now let's analyze. So from 10.0 there is no MPLS, so here to 12.2 there is MPLS, look to 18 round. Oh, great. So now I have MPLS here. Great. Then going to the MPLS, then going to no MPLS. So this is, it means the option B is what is success. So now let's generate the same thing with customer DEF, ping to what? To 10.10.10, source 10.12.12.12. Okay. Okay. What's problem here? why 12 is not, so I peer out here, I can see 1010, but what's ping to 10 10 10 10 a source 12 12 12. Yeah, the ping is success. What I did then? I did one, sorry. Yeah, it's 10 10 10 10. Okay, good. And let's do trace. Oh, sorry, the same issue. I forget to do numeric. Let's generate it from that side. Okay, the same issue as last video. Okay, 10 12 12 to 12 source 10 10 10 10 numeric. Okay, good. So now I have no MPLS, 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 between SBRs, MPLS, MPLS, no MPLS. Okay, good. So it means now option B also success. I hope this is clear. So if you have any question, you can you can keep the comments. Okay, thank you so much for your watching and consideration. See you in next video.